Everybody, so we got a quick video. Received something in the mail. Not really sure what it is, so we're just gonna open it, see what it is, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I received this in the mail. It says made in China. Made by JDMON. It says fuel injectors, fits for 2000 Toyota 19, replace 232096204021729333, 6-piece. I'm gonna cut it open and see what's in here. A 1-year replacement plan of some kind. Oh, these are fuel injectors for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner. 23250-62040. They're pretty hefty. Just got new O-rings on everything. This O-ring looks kind of small though. See if I can get the camera and the light in here. It does look a little small. Assuming somebody from Amazon sent it. I'd have to do testing on them before I'd even install them on the vehicle. Trying to get this O-ring off. You can see how wide it is compared to the O-ring. This O-ring actually has a crack in it. It's not good. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it gets blurry when I get too close to the camera. But there is definitely a crack in the O-ring, and it's not from me using the pick. But I'll probably do a separate video on these. I do not know who sent them. OEM 23209-62040. That's what this says on right here. This number is actually engraved on the plastic. But I might do a separate video with testing these out, see what the OEMs are compared to the factory mechanics manual, shop manual for my 4Runner. See if they ohm out correctly or not. If they don't, then they're not going to get installed anyways. But it's not good that there's already a crack on one of the seals. I don't see a crack on this seal. I'm not even sure if these are Viden seals like they're supposed to be. But you know, it's pretty hefty. But, you know, it's just a quick little video. They're all definitely not the same color. Some of them are darker than others. Like this one is a little darker. This one's a lot more glossy than the other one. This one, the orange seal looks good. There's a lot of flashing on where they were made. You can see the flashing where it was molded. We'll have to test them out in another video. I don't want this video to be too long. They're 2000 Toyota 4Runner fuel injectors. I'm assuming that these are, you know, China made. I'm not really sure where they came from. They're definitely not Denzos, I can tell you that for a fact. But that's what we got in the mail. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you guys want to see more about these. Appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And go check out my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links down below. Appreciate you guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!